morning, I'm Matt from Bali. Today we're gonna do a little bit of a travel vlog. It's first time we going with Aurora to with airplane. So where are we going, honey?
So we're going to Jakarta.
Yeah, not really what we wanted, but she needed to get her passport done and it couldn't do in the consulate of Sweden here in Swedish. So yeah, we have to go, unfortunately.
With a small little baby.
Yeah, but we have lots of prepared packing.
Yeah, usually she don't use diapers, but now when we are going with the taxi and all that, it's not so easy. Just stop the taxi, she needs to go to the toilet, so we need to have diapers as well. So we have cloth diapers.
Yep. So we take that with us, and normally we only use it during the night. So that's the only time we use the diapers. So you gotta follow us during the day.
So we just fill up coconut water in 1.5 liter bottles, one each, and then we had some extra. So here we have freshly pressed passion fruit juice and some coconut water. Yum. Really good to hydrate yourself before you fly. Also good with C vitamins, so you keep your immune system, because when you're flying it's a lot of people and AC and all that, so it's good to have a good shot of C vitamin.
So we're finally on our way to get picked up our driver August, and yeah, Melanie and Aurora went beforehand, but I forgot some things in there, so I think you're in time, but people say when you have children it always takes a lot of time, so you have to plan, and we did plan, but still the time flies, so but I'm quite ready to go. So it's beautiful out here, walking in the morning by the rice fields. Feels very relaxing. That's one of the ways we love Bali with. Now we are at the airport, but with some perfect planning for us. We had no memory in our memory card, so as soon as we go to the airport, the memory card was full, so I had to change to delete some used movie scenes until now. So where are we, honey?
So now we are at Starbucks and just waiting. Then we're gonna go to the what's called the gate, but time to eat something. She's eating, and we planned yesterday. We did like overnight oats with coconut yogurt and chia seeds, and then mashed up banana and some vanilla.
Nice. And of course I wanted some coffee to it as well. to look for certain new signs in the airports. Look at this. It was quite nice, wasn't it?
Yes.
Sleeping Beauty.
How old you been? 6 weeks. 6 weeks.
6 months. Time to board the plane, or what you're saying? Oh, over there.
Okay, over here.
Yes. That's nice. The baby had to do some registration before enter the flight.
Because she don't have a passport.
Yeah. But she wants to get it. Oh. What do you like best with the airports?
I don't know, it's so multicultural in a way.
Yeah. And everybody are on their way to somewhere. Good or not good event. I mean, happy or not so happy moments sometimes, but people are on the way all the time. They say we got the plane. Time to enter another plane. It's always nice when you... Always nice to fly because you're always on the way to some cool destination. What is your favorite destination so far we've been traveling to?
I don't know. Bali, Hawaii.
We landed in Jakarta and it was a really easy flight. I think.
Yeah, she's so easy. You almost not
notice her.
Notice her, yeah. She's with you because she is sleeping, eating, and yeah, she's really calm lately. So
yeah, and it's a good method also to breastfeed her on landing and start, because then they are focused on the breastfeed and not the air pressure.
Yeah. So and then when they swallow, they don't get pressure in the ears.
Finally here, Embassy of Sweden, so time to go and do some passport. It's open 1 o'clock, but if we're lucky they are here before 1 o'clock.
Yeah, because we have a flight back soon, so we just want to come here quick and then fly off again. Now we're back at the airport again.
Yeah, and Yeah, we have Aurora with us here, and it was quite smooth. Actually, went to the embassy and then got a cab and then went back to the airport. So
yeah, she has been so calm during the whole thing. She's so easy flying with and traveling with.
Best travel mate ever.
Yeah, and when they were taking the photos, she was like looking at the camera and the machine.
She was so curious. It was amazing to see.
And we will show you the photo. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Because she was so full awake. She's been sleeping, and then she woke up before the photo, and she was just smiling and so happy. So.
Yeah. Then she went on the toilet, and then she went to sleep again. So she basically had some breastfeed and been sleeping. So really easy to travel with. Actually, I'm surprised, aren't you?
Yeah. So we had some bananas also when we were waiting for the cab, and now we're gonna go up and see about our gate, and then we're probably gonna eat something more and just relax before the flight.
Absolutely.
So now we are in the nursery room here in the airport. Really beautiful with these new walls. And here is the beauty. She's gonna go to the toilet and we're gonna change diaper also.
Time to board again, and it feels good to go back to Bali, or what you're saying?
Yeah.
It's nice to go back to Bali.
Wonderful.
To the seatbelts fully fastened. Level 40 meters after is completely open. For safety reason, we are going to dim the cabin light. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Igusting Horara, the airport near Pasar Bali. Please remain seated until we have reached our final docking position.
Feels good to be on Bali ground again.
Yeah. But the trip went easy. And yeah.
But
Fast also.
well, what happened when we were going to land?
I don't know what happened, but we were going to land, and then suddenly it just went
Up again, yeah. Because it was something on the runway, and it happened to me also one time when I was landing in Sydney. I was flying with Boeing 747-400 and like a jumbo jet, and we were almost landed, and then they just was flying straight up in the sky again, and it was due to high speed, so I couldn't land. If they landed, they would have crashed because they had too high speed, but now it was something on the runway or something like that. But yeah, it was a little bit of excitement during the trip.
Yeah, it was terrible. Terrible. It felt like all the organs were going to pop out.
And I didn't even notice because I was filming the landing. Eating.
Yeah.
5th dinner.
Yeah.
We haven't had any dinner yet, honey. What should we eat for dinner?
We have some rice home leftovers, and then we have some tempeh, so we're gonna probably do like steam some tempeh and maybe sweet potato.
So it's time. We are finally home after a long day.
So when we came home, we just gave Aurora a bath, and then we put new clothes on, and then we breastfed her, and then we started to doing a late night dinner.
Yeah, we did some tempeh, some beans, and
Sweet potato.
yeah, but
and
we were
fries.
so tired we forgot to film everything. But it's one nice casserole this evening meal. So
Yeah.
but we are so tired now.
Yeah, late night food. I think is it 11?
Yeah, almost 11.
Yeah.
Yeah. So with this vlog. Question: have you done any traveling with your kids? If you have kids, please comment down below how you travel with your kids. If you have any tips how to travel with kids, or your experience of traveling and flying with kids.
Yeah. For us, it was really easy. This was our first trip with her, like flying in somewhere.
If you like this video, please put your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to us. And when you subscribe, put on the subscribe button and the bell. So that was everything for tonight. Bye bye.
Have a beautiful day. Sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa.
Bali.